Welcome to the Levelty Smart English Series. The word not tells you that a sentence is negative. Look at these sentences. I can't sing well. I don't drink coffee. It's not true. But in English, we can make a sentence negative with other words too. Look, which words do you think make the sentences negative? You have 5 seconds to figure it out. She never drinks coffee. Nobody can fly. Neither of us arrived in time. Did you answer never, nobody, and neither? Then you are right. You see, it's enough to use only these words to make the whole sentence negative. You don't have to use words like isn't or can't or doesn't together with these words. What's more, you can't even use them. It's not correct. You know what? Let's collect all the words that you can use to make a sentence negative without the word not. Here you are. Never, nothing, nobody, no one, nowhere, neither, none. You see, there are not too many. So remember, if you use them in a sentence, don't use another negation in it. For more inspiring grammar topics, visit us on leveltybooks.com.